Good evening, boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen. This is my first attempt at doing a slow-mo video, and the main reason being is I'm using a microphone for a separate sound source, my normal camera, 2 lights and a high-speed footage camera. So I'm going to have to get 3 separate things all into one to make this video work. So let's see how it goes. Excuse me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. All that time to create 1,000 frames of video. So let's see how that turned out. Well, this is my first attempt at doing a voiceover or a narration on one of my videos. I thought today, being as it was so complicated, doing this very small video with 2 cameras and 2 music. Oh, do you know what? Let's just enjoy the video. Look at the sparks. The next one is brilliant. Look at, wow, look at that. A mini explosion. Silence can be lovely, but very difficult for Tangobaldy. And golf balls dropping in slow-mo are rather boring. But here it comes again. Wasn't happy with one appearance, had to have another one. This is a ginger biscuit taking a splash in a bottle of water. Lovely. I am not sure what's coming next. Oh, and here's another ginger biscuit. Who would have thought that was going to happen? And as you can see, the camera was not in line properly. Pow, look at that. That's like 3D, like in the old 80s when they used to poke you in the eye with an umbrella before 3D health and safety came along. That biscuit was truly delicious. And the flickering that you can see in the picture is due to the lighting in the church. I have a feeling that they have 3-phase power in the church, otherwise it would have been a lot more flickery than this, but I know nothing about electrics. This is a UK £2 coin, and I had a few attempts at this, and as you can see, it's escaped off the screen and gone out of focus. But the good thing is the camera stays on a fixed focus for this shot, and this one is the best. You can see it like almost falls over and then comes all the way back on, almost vertically. Look, perfect. And here we have the final video clip of carbonated water having a little bounce around. I think this would have looked a lot better if it had been in a very clear plastic bottle. Maybe I'll insert some fizzy sounds here, but I'm not really sure. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's a bit more unusual than what I would usually be doing, but I thought I'd share this with you, as I'm going to be doing a little bit of nice slow motion and much better video quality and sound. The sound was amazing. I'm sure you heard the difference at the beginning if you're wearing headphones, and the new microphone is great. I will be carrying that around with me occasionally, and if I see you, we can perhaps do a couple of quick interviews with you. I don't know if that's the right word, or maybe you can just come along and shout and yell in my mic and I'll put you in my videos. So I've got portable recording now. Oh, how much more can you talk about bubbles in a bottle? So thank you for watching the YouTube video. It was complicated and time consuming. It took me about 2 hours to make this, but I enjoyed it. Oh, this goes on and on and on. Thank you for watching YouTube. Sorry, not YouTube. Thank you for watching Tangobaldy, and I will see you really, really, really soon. Bye. Now, unfortunately, this will be just coming out of your left-hand speaker.